Hello everyone, today I will show you how to share multi-window in Zoom. And here's how it is done. If you only want to share one program, just click share screen and select that window, like PowerPoint. But in the past, sharing multiple programs meant switching one at a time. Stop sharing, pick the next, and repeat. Sharing your whole screen. Fast, but risky if you have private emails or notifications open. Now there is a better option. When you click Share Screen, hold down Control on Windows while selecting each window you want to share, like PowerPoint and Word. Then click Share. Both windows will have a green outline, and participants will see just those programs, side by side or however you arrange them, without revealing anything else on your desktop. You can resize or move them during the meeting, and changes will update for viewers with only a slight delay. This makes it easy and safe to present multiple documents, apps, or files without toggling back and forth or risking a privacy slip. That is everything to know about how to share multi-window in Zoom. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.